Installing Python on Windows 10 involves downloading the installer, running it, and configuring the installation. Here's a step-by-step guide. Download the installer. Open a web browser and go to the official Python website. Navigate to the download section and click on the Download Python button for the latest version. Run the installer. Locate the downloaded installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click it to start the installation. Configure installation. In the installer window, check the box that says Add Python 3.x to path. This ensures that you can run Python from the command line. Click on Customize Installation if you want to choose optional features, otherwise click Install Now. Customize installation. You can select optional features like pip, IDLE, and documentation. Click Next and you can also customize the installation location if needed. Complete the installation. Click Install to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Close to exit the installer. Verify the installation. Open Command Prompt by typing CMD in the Start menu search and pressing Enter. Type Python version and press Enter. This should display the version of Python installed, confirming the installation was successful. You can also verify pip by typing pip version.